In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create award-winning ads using Google VEO 3. And not only good ads that perform well, but with character consistency. So the same character applies in every single scene of your ad. Let's jump right into it. Now, to show you first what's possible, I want to share this 45-second ad that was created using Google VEO 3 for my company, Syllabi.
Look, honey, she's walking.
I told you, I'm trying to hack this algorithm.
Missing life's most important moments creating content manually?
Can you get her out of here? I'm trying to film.
Syllabi automates your entire video process from idea to publish in under a minute without even having to press record. It's trained on the top-performing video scripts, so you can get monetized faster and stop stressing over hacking the algorithm. Don't be that guy. Use Syllabi. Click below to start your free trial and use the coupon AI Video to save 25%.
Daddy?
She said her first words. Did you hear, Bob?
Can she say it again later?
Now, this ad had me cracking up, and it's actually performing really well across Facebook and YouTube ads right now. But in order to get all of these scenes, you have to start with the concept and then the storyboard. So let's start there so that we can actually map out all of your scenes. And then I'm going to show you the exact prompting that you can use for Google VEO 3 to have consistent characters for each individual scene. Let's go. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is use this custom chat GPT that my good friend Jeff J. Hunter built to create this VEO 3 AI persona. I will have the link to this custom GPT linked in the description of this video for you. Now, all you need to do here is click on the start prompt here, help create an 8-second video of VEO 3, and it's going to start by asking you a couple questions so that you can form everything around the ad. And let's just start by filling these out. So I'm going to create an outline for an ad for my AI Marketing World conference that's coming up in this October. So first I'm going to type in create an ad to promote AI Marketing World conference. It should be a comedy ad. So for characters, you want to get really specific here as well. Okay, so I have all of my answers here for the questions. In fact, a little thing that I did was I actually took an image of myself, uploaded it to ChatGPT, and asked it to perfectly describe that image of me so that I could be the main character in this. And so it came up with a comedy ad concept here, and I just wanted to clarify if I should move forward with it and any other specifics. Just continue to go through this process until you're happy with your full structure for the ad that you want to build. And so here we go. We have our character details that perfectly describe me. You want to have this in every single prompt that I'm going to show you next. It outlined every single scene here, scene by scene, for my ad, which I'm going to copy and paste over there. And then it even gives me the descriptions of what to do to copy each individual scene into the Google VEO 3 prompt here, create each scene individually as VEO 3 doesn't remember characters. Yes, it's a little wonky. Now, let's actually start to create this ad. And by the end of this video, you are going to see how we've created an amazing ad promoting my thing. You can copy this step by step to have a VEO 3 ready ad that you can. Next, I'm going to come over to Google Flow. And if you don't know how to use Google Flow, in the upper corner here somewhere, there's a video on a full tutorial on how to use Google Flow that I created for you last week. But first, you just need to do new project here, and this is going to load in our prompt box here. You want to make sure that this is set to text to video and that we have Google VEO 3 selected in here, okay, like so. First thing that we're going to do is bring in our character details here. I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste this in the top, enter some information in here, and then I'm going to have this scene. So, all right, so all you need to do is paste in this exact prompt or whatever the custom GPT gives for you. And it gave me two variations that look really good. All right, So now essentially we're just going to keep doing that scene by scene by scene. And so I'm going to skip ahead to the end where I have all of my clips in place. So now I have all of my individual clips for my ad from the scenes that were created. And all I need to do here is download my favorite one of each one. And we're going to do the upscale 1080p download of that. And then we're just going to bring them into an editor to make everything seamless together. And now you can, of course, polish this up, but in just a couple of minutes, you have a consistent character video ad that you can run and promote your business. Now, obviously, you need to do a little bit of refinement to get this perfect for your vision, but I wanted to show you how simple this actually is to be able to create a really good ad using Google VEO 3. Now, if this was helpful for you, let me know in the comments, and if there's any other tutorials that you'd like to see on Google VEO 3, let me know how I can support you.